You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in French. From French, this designates the day before yesterday, and it literally means before yesterday. So let's break down the pronunciation. Avant is French for before. Hier is French for yesterday. Avant-Hier, because you make a liaison between the T and the I, essentially. You ignore the H. Avant-Hier. Avant-Hier. So the word avant would have a silent T, but because it is followed by a word that starts with a vowel sound, you link up the T. Avant-Hier. 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 From French, the day before yesterday. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.